Okay, America. Well, this is going to be not a long video. Hopefully it'll help you a lot. Right here is the PCV valve right there. There's the hose that goes to the manifold. There's the PCV valve on the back of the passenger side rear valve cover. And it's got two, either they're T20s or T25s. And then there's the firewall. How do you get those bolts out? They're in like that. Two of them. One up, one down. Well, one is sitting in back of that hose, so you have to pull that hose off. And if you're replacing it with an older model, it's going to have 3 bolts. So you need to take that out and then buy a new hose. And the new ones only have 2. So, but this is how I figured out how to do it. So anyway, there it is. There's the PCV valve right there. Okay, so let's go over here now. Kobalt makes a 35 piece. I've got a couple of these on McCurry. This is a nice little set. It's lockable. And it's got a little ratchet here. And here's got some bits for you. And in there, right here, right there, I think it's the Torx T20. And you just put it in here. And this is reversible, just like a normal ratchet. This side here, it's too big. But anyway, this side is for all those right there. You won't use those. So this one here fits in that right there, and it's magnetic, or it clicks in anyway. And then you can go right here and take it off. This is about the only thing that fits, because after you get it in there, you only have about 1 inch total. So I've not found another tool other than a very small ratchet. So these are pretty cheap. I bought them for $10 when they were on sale, but generally they're about $20 to $25. I think they're $22 right now. But they're in stock at Lowe's. I just saw a review on one that might work. Might be too big. It's made by Icon, Harbor Freight. It's $40, but this little set works really good. It's got a lifetime warranty, and you can see all the bits that are in there, and plenty enough. And it's always helpful to have an extra, torque bit, because you might break it. But that's how you do it. That's how you take it off. And I recommend changing these every 30,000 miles. They're pretty pricey. Generics are like $30, and the OEM's closer to $50. But I recommend doing it because the orifice in there is very small, and when this thing doesn't work very good, it really makes the motor suck oil and other things. And there's a centrifuge in that, just so you know. I'm not sure I can make it bigger now. Sorry. Yeah, there's a centrifuge right here in the end of the camshaft, and that helps clear off some of the oil. But they say to change it at 100, but I've changed a lot of them at 50 that were, it's not a matter of just rattling. It's not a typical PCV valve, so I'd recommend changing them every 30. You won't have any problem. These cars really do well with catch cans, and you hook it up into that hose, by the way. You hook it into that hose and run it to the front, and these do dump quite a bit of oil in the plenum. So anyway, here's your little toolkit. Get them for $22 at Lowe's. I bought these on sale for $9.95. I've got a couple on sale at McCurry, but nothing wrong with going to Lowe's and pick yourself up one. And if you got a Pentastar, you sure need one.